No respite as the number of cases continue to rise in the national capital. Delhi recorded 6,746 new cases and 121 fresh deaths yesterday. Amid surge in the cases, Kejriwal government announced that 400 more ICU beds have been made available. The Supreme Court has once again wrapped the Delhi government, saying that the situation in the capital is worsening by the day. The bench has asked for a status report from all states on steps taken to deal with corona. Next hearing is going to be on Friday. Delhi government has now withdrawn the order of sealing Janta Market and Punjabi Bagh Market due to overcrowding. The order stated that the street vendors have been removed and shopkeepers have been instructed to wear masks and follow social distancing. But an India Today ground report shows that crowds have once again gathered and everyone's flouting COVID norms.
इस वक्त मैं दिल्ली के नांगलोई इलाके में मौजूद हूं और ये जनता मार्केट है। कल यहां से जो तस्वीरें आई थी वो दिल दहला देने वाली थी। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की धज्जियां उड़ाकर लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़कर बाकायदा शॉपिंग कर रहे थे, जिसके बाद जो प्रशासन है उसने इस पूरे मार्केट को सील कर दिया था। लेकिन अब जो सीलिंग का आदेश था उसे वापस ले लिया गया है। रेहड़ी पटरी वालों को लेकिन यहाँ पर दुकान लगाने की मनाही है। लेकिन आप देख पा रहे हैं अभी भी लोग यहाँ पर काफी संख्या में यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हैं।
Anisha Mathur is now joining us live for the very latest. Anisha, what is happening in Delhi today? There are rising number of people in the markets. Social distancing norms gone for a toss. Most of the people not even wearing masks due to the festivities. We are seeing a third wave of coronavirus infection setting in Delhi as well. At the moment, there was a whole lot of speculation that perhaps there would be a temporary lockdown for the markets. There will be a partial lockdown. Where does one stand? I believe it's been rolled back.
Well, yes, Shruti, the Delhi government had initially said that they are looking into possibly closing down the markets. But after a meeting with CAIT, that is the traders associations, the Delhi government decided to hold off on that. Yesterday, as my colleague was just reporting, yesterday there was a huge crowd at several smaller markets in various parts of Delhi, and therefore 2 or 3 markets had been sealed again after interventions by traders bodies and protests by the market association. The government has once again de-sealed them. What we've been seeing for the last several days, and we've been seeing continuously, is that people in the city are not following the norms, and that is why we've been seeing a huge jump in number of cases for the last since the pre-Diwali. We've seen a lot of people come out to the markets, crowds once again increasing. Masks are not being worn, despite the fact that the fine has now been increased to 2,000 rupees. There have been thousands of people who've been challaned in the last week alone, but the numbers of people going to the markets not following social distancing norms is not going down. When it comes to what is happening in the courts, the Supreme Court once again today had asked about what is happening with hospitals, what is happening with crematoriums. Why are we facing such a bottleneck when it comes to treatment as well as the disposal of dead bodies? The Delhi government has informed the court that in 115 private hospitals in the city, 80% of beds have been reserved for COVID patients. 380 slots have been reserved in crematoriums for COVID deaths. And if these numbers don't scare people enough, there is nothing that the government can really do. But the court has, of course, asked the government to step up, take more action, put in more monitoring, put in more flying squads, put in more people who are monitoring and challaning the citizens of the city who are not following the norms. And that is something that everybody in the city has to take care of, because as long as the crowds continue, the COVID situation cannot improve. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Anisha Mathur getting us that ground report.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.